Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. This is the summary video for today's lesson. Subject Science, Learner Book, Class 5, Unit 3, Lesson 3.3, the last lesson for second quarter. Investigating Evaporation. From your Learner Book, page number 38 and 39. And your Activity Book, page number 25. This is the last page for second quarter. First of all, learning objective, what you learned in the class today. Measure volume, temperature, time, length, and forces. And also know that evaporation occurs when a liquid turns into a gas. And also we solved the exercise. Investigating evaporation. How much, activity 3.3a, how much water evaporates? Pour 200 ml of water into each container. Put one container in a cool place, such as a cupboard, and the other in a warm place, such as sunny window, ledge, or you can put near the window, as it is. You can see in the screen. One you can put in a cool place in a cupboard, not in a fridge or freezer, and the other one at warm temperature, at a warm place, like near the in front of window, and directly heat by sunlight. And also after this, measure the volume of water in each container every day for 5 days. How will you do this? How will you get the volume level low, temperature increase? Is it warm? What about both? So you need to check for 5 days. After this, you may need to record your result in a table, like this for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Container in a warm place and container in a cool place. Volume of water in ml. Volume, is it increase or decrease? Like this, I show you in the screen. Day 1, like on the first day, the container in warm place 180, and in a cool place 190. After 1 day spending, after finish 1 day, like this, second, third, fourth, and after fifth day, you can see the volume of water in container 1 at warm place, and the volume of water in a cool place. So it was decrease, reached at 80, and this one at 130. Decrease also, but not too much. Here, decrease according to the container in the cool place. So what you except what happened? What's the result if you put your water, or put if the water in a cool place? So the evaporation process is slow. So the decreasing the volume of water, it not evaporate much. So you can see the volume of the water in container, which one in a cool place is 130. It's not decreasing too much, but in a warm place it's decreased from 180. It's mean 100 ml decrease, and which one in the warm place. After this question related to the activity, what pattern do you see in your result? Most water evaporates from the container. Most water evaporates from the container. Just a minute, boys. Okay, question number 1. What pattern do you see in your result? What do you see in result? What happened? What kind of pattern? Yes, you can say more water evaporates in which container? From the container in the warm place, than as compared to from the container in the cool place. I'm like this. What kind of chart will you draw to show this pattern? Chart, bar chart or line chart? I hope so. Line chart is better. A line chart, a line graph is better. Okay, if you're showing result, why? Because line graph are used when there is smooth change. Smooth change every day, 20 milliliter or 10 milliliter decrease, or progression in the factor being measured over time, because every day it's little bit change smoothly, such as volume of water evaporated, or an increase in temperature, or plant height. We are using line chart or line graph. What do your results tell you about evaporation? What tell your result about your evaporation? Evaporation happen where? When? When more quickly when it is warm. Evaporation happens more quickly when it is warm. Okay, when the weather or when the you're putting your thing in warm place. Okay, so evaporation occur fastly, happen more quickly. How can you collect enough evidence to be sure your idea about evaporation is correct? How can you collect? Easy, repeat my process, repeat the investigation several times. If I want to check, I will repeat my investigation, my process more than one time, and then we can find is that this my result, is it correct or wrong. How can you change this investigation to find out how wind or moving air affect evaporation? Same like this. So instead of putting in the water container in a warm place and the other in a cool place, you put one this same like this. You have an activity in your activity book. The same questions. If you need to put one container in front of fan and the other not in front of fan, and then leave it. Instead of putting one container in a warm place and the other in a cool place, what you will do, you could let a fan blow onto the one container but not onto the other container. So hope so same like this you will get the result. Okay guys, take care, revise your classwork and finish your activity book until page number 25. Take care. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.